Morning, dear students of class 4th A and B. So as I told you that I will send you the video of lesson 20, simple present tense. So first of all, before jumping into the topic, now first of all we will understand what is a tense. In the online class I explained you that what is a tense. To class 4th A I explained that what is a tense. Now what is a tense? Tense is equal to time. Okay, tense is time. Tense tells the time of the verb. In English we have done, then what is a verb? Verb is the action word, something which is being done. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है या कोई noun कुछ कर रहा है, okay, any noun, a person, place or animal or thing is doing something. Okay, is doing something, not thing, we can say that living things, whatever they are doing. Okay, whatever action they are doing, that is verb, or whatever action is being done is verb. ठीक है, is verb, it's an action word, and that action is being done in a within time frame. ठीक है, वो एक within time frame के within में कुछ भी काम होता है that happens within a time frame. Okay, that is tense. That is tense. Now in English we have three tenses, past, present, future, and then again further they are divided into different parts. So present, first of all present. Okay, simple present tense. Now simple present tense is the tense that indicates present time, a present. Now first of all you may get confused that कभी कभी लोग ये भी सोचते हैं that when they for example I am teaching or I am writing, they tell it this is simple present tense, but actually this is not simple present tense, it is present continuous. ठीक है, it is present continuous. Many children they get confused. ठीक है, वो क्या करते हैं, the present continuous tense they label it as simple present tense. No, that is not simple present tense. Simple present tense does not has this ing form. It does not have that ing form of verb. It is just the root form of verb. Simple present tense does not indicate a particular time. For example, I am shooting this video right now. This is not simple present tense. This will be present continuous. I am shooting, I am making this video. This is present continuous क्योंकि अभी ये चल रहा है एक्शन continuity में. But simple present tense it indicates all the time. All the time कहने का मतलब मेरा ये है, when I say I make videos, that is simple present tense. But when I say I am making video, okay, I am making video, that is present continuous. But I make video is simple present tense. Okay, it will indicate all the time because I always make a video, I always make a study video, tutorial video, that is simple present tense. Understood? So look at these sentences, this should make you clear. I like comics. Now I am not stopping to like comics, means मुझे comics अच्छा लगता है, और ऐसा नहीं है that I don't like it, I like. ठीक है, I like comics and I am not stopped liking it. ठीक है, I am not stopped liking it, or I am not saying that I am liking comics. No, I like comics. मुझे कभी भी किसी भी टाइम पे मुझे comics दे दो, give me the comics, I will read it. That is simple present tense. Monica likes English songs. That means that not at present, all the time, anytime, just ask her to listen to English song, she will listen because she likes English song. It's not that she is liking, she likes English songs. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. अब ऐसा तो कभी होगा नहीं that sun will rise from the west. No, sun rises in the east, it always rises in the east. So this is simple present tense. Eagles fly high in the sky. This is simple present tense. Okay, this is simple present tense. Now this sentence, this is known as universal truth. ठीक है, हम इसको universal truth कहते हैं. Why? Because this truth, ये एक सच्चाई है, it's a fact. ठीक है, understood, it's a fact. इट्स अ फैक्ट विच विल नेवर चेंज, ये कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. दिस विल नेवर एवर चेंज, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा दैट सन विल राइज फ्रॉम द वेस्ट. ओके, सन विल ऑलवेज राइज फ्रॉम द ईस्ट. इट विल नॉट, ऐसा कोई एकदम से कोई चमत्कार या कोई एकदम से अजीब चीज़ नहीं होएगी दैट सम डे सन विल राइज फ्रॉम द वेस्ट. नो. सो दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. Same way, another universal truth is honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. Now honey cannot be bitter. Honey cannot be bitter. Honey कड़वा नहीं हो सकता है. honey हमेशा sweet ही होता है. ठीक है, उसको नेचर ने इस तरीके से बनाया है that honey will always be sweet. So that is also simple present tense. Honey is sweet. So simple present tense is, it represents what? A universal truth. Universal truth, like flowers blossoms. Flowers blossom is universal truth. ये चेंज नहीं होगा. फूल हमेशा खिलते ही हैं, ठीक है, वो हमेशा खिलते रहेंगे, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. सो it is universal truth. Flowers blossom. Understood? Sun rises in the east. Honey is sweet. Mango is sweet. So these things, these are the facts. They will never ever change. So हम इनको simple present tense में डालते हैं. We consider these sentences as simple present tense. One is universal truth. Then second is any action which is you can say happening, which is happening out of habit. हैबिट मतलब आपकी आदत. हैबिट मतलब क्या होता है? आदत. व्हाट इज़ आदत? व्हाट इज़ हैबिट? एनी एक्शन विच यू आर डूइंग विदाउट एनी एफर्ट. मतलब कि आप उसमें एफर्ट नहीं लगा रहे, वो आपकी आदत है. ठीक है, वो आपकी आदत है. लाइक आई वेक अप अर्ली. I wake up early. Now I wake up early. This is habit. ये मेरी आदत है कि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. So this sentence I wake up early is simple present tense. So हम then where do we use simple present tense? We use simple present tense to indicate, to show about or to tell about a habit and any action which is happening out of habit. She drinks 1 glass of milk every morning. That means वो उसकी आदत है. That is her habit. She drinks 1 glass of milk every morning. He does yoga every morning. है ना, मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है. गिवन यू एग्जाम्पल टू राइट इन द कॉपी. He does yoga every morning. That is out of his habit. वो उसकी आदत है. Out of his habit he is doing all these actions. So they are considered as simple present tense. I hope you have understood this. Now coming to the formation, means how do you form it? How do you tell that this is in simple present tense? So how will you write it? So with I, we, you, they and all plural subject more than one. ये आपको याद करना है. You have to learn it. With I, we, you, they and all plural subject more than one. ठीक है, more than one. आपको क्या यूज़ करना है? व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज़? रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. रूट फॉर्म. नाउ रूट फॉर्म मीन्स दोज वर्ब्स विच आर विदाउट एस एंड विदाउट ई एस. लाइक लव. इनमें मैं एस या ई एस नहीं लगा रही हूँ. सो दिस इज़ रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. So you will use only the root form of verb. For example, I like, not I likes. I like comics. I love books. ठीक है, understood? I love my pet. That is simple present tense. I love my pet. मैं कभी stop तो नहीं करूँगा ना. I will keep on loving my pet. I love my pet. ठीक है, ये it is not showing, it is not indicating you one particular time. It is representing all the time. कभी भी मेरा पेट सामने मेरे आता है. I love my pet. Understood? Now coming to second one, with he, she, it. With he, she, it and all singular subjects only one, we use root form of the word plus s or es. Now for example, sun rises. Now sun is only one and rise is the verb, so we have added s in it because it is singular. So with he, she, it and all singular subjects we use root form of the word plus s or es accordingly. ठीक है, understood? So this is the rule, understood? So coming to the exercise. Now coming to the exercise, speak out the following sentences changing I to he or she. Now this is for oral practice. I sleep, he sleeps, or she sleeps. I sleep, with I we only use root form. Then with he and she we use the root form plus s. So he sleeps, she sleeps. I like comics, he likes comics, she likes comics. I enjoy pop music, he enjoys pop music, she enjoys pop music. I hope you have understood this. So this way you will practice this at home. I hope you have understood. Now coming to the exercise, I told you that you will do exercise this one in the copy. Now the first and second one I am doing for you. Now coming to what you have to do, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in the simple present tense. Now this is given in the bracket, the verb. What you have to see the subject and then correct form of the verb you have to fill. Now I always dash my friends. Now we have done in the rule, we use the root form, so it will be I always help, only help, because it is I. So rule says that we will use only root form of verb, we will not add s or es in it. Now coming to second, she, I have already done, likes tea but not coffee, because with she we always use root form of verb plus s. So verb is like, so we will add s in it. She likes tea but not coffee. I hope you have understood till here. In the next video I will explain you how to change the simple present tense sentence into negative and into interrogative question sentence.